Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bhattacharya. Welcome to my DSA series. Today's question is how to find happy number, right? So, what is happy number? So, happy number is nothing but I will be provided with a integer n with a number basically, and I have to just square each individual digit of it, and then add their sum to find a number. Then I will again individually square them and then again add those digits, and I will again uh, take those single digit and then individually square it, then add it like this. I have to get one at the end, or happy number which is not mentioned here. It can be seven also, right? One and seven are the basically you can say in recursion it can be the best cases, right? So this can be the question. So you can find that n equals to 2, whether it is a happy number or not. Obviously, it is not, right? So let's go for it. Here, for the base case, I'm just providing the base case at first. If n is equals to 1 or equals to n is equals to 7, then what will happen? I will just return true. the true, right? And if not, then else if okay, what I mean if n is less than 10, then for whatever the single digit is, I don't care, just return false, right? Now, for the third one, L, this is the most important part for me, I think so. You can see that for the, wait a minute. For the else statement, what I can do here is that within the else, I will go for a hint sum. Basically, this is the most important part. Sum equals to 0. Then, while n greater than 0, then what I will do, I will just go for a int digit, basically equals to n modulus of 10, which will give the reminder, basically the last digit. And then what I will do within sum, I will add that 10, basically 10 per digit into the digit itself or into 2. Basically, I've told to square it, right? So I can do digit into digit or digit to the power 2. Then what I will do, I will just go for n divided by 10 to iterate to the next number itself. Basically, the last number was 9, then n divided by 10 we provide 1 for now, and then at the end, when I will get the whole loop, then I will return that whatever the function, basically this is a function, right? So whatever the function is, within that the some variable, I will just call it. Now, last down. Now let's see whether the code runs properly or not. Okay, here is no problem here. Okay, okay, I got it. So basically, I can't use into like this, but I can do one thing is that I will use digit, and here the problem is that it will be n equal to n divided by divided by 10. Now let's check it out. Okay, let's see for class, I have to put a bracket here. Okay, the code of the description are passed. Now let's submit and check the answer. Yeah, you can see that 420 out of 420 questions have been passed properly and successfully. And if you like the concept behind my question and the concept which I provide and the solution I provide, you can just like to subscribe. And for a first for Copa, I can say that I have to find the happy hour, right? So what is a happy hour? It is an algorithm to determine if a number is happy or not. Happy number is determined by the following processes: whether the result will be at the last one or it will be endless cycle loop. Basically, like 1 square, then n square. Then it will be 82. Like this, it will go for 6 square, then 8 square. It will be 100, then 100 will be 1 square plus 0 square plus 0 square. It will be 1. So it is resulting in 1, so it will be true. Other than that, will be false. So this is a simple thing. So I can see that it is a Boolean type. So Boolean type always returns true or false, right? So if it, I know that only, not only for 1, but for 7 also, n will be determined as a happy number. So for that reason, if n is equals to 1 or 7, it will directly return true. Otherwise, for all the single digit element, then for which also satisfies the second question, second example, right? And if the number is 19, suppose, or like that, what I can do, I will take a sum digit, I will take a sum and a digit, and I will go for a while loop. And within that while loop, what I will do, that I know that 19 is greater than 0, right? So the loop will just continue. And I can see that the digit is equals to n modulus of 10, which will first return the 9. Then I will add that 9 into 9. So basically this 10, 9 into 9 and add it within the sum. The sum was 0. So 9 into 9 will be uh, basically whatever the thing is basically 81. So it will be within the sum, right? Then what I am doing? I'm doing n divided by 10. So what is n? N is 19. So 19 divided by 10 will give me the quotient. So what will be my quotient? Basically 1 will be my quotient because 10, 1 are 10. So now 1 is greater than 0, right? So again the loop will run. And for 1, what is the modulus of 10? What will be the remainder I will get? I will get 1. So basically 1 into 1, I will get 1. And sum was already 81. So 81 plus 1 will be 82. And then I am getting 82 and returning the value of just calling is happy. And within that, I am just calling that sum variable. So yeah, this was all about the question. Thank you.